got an idea, though. I got an idea. Why don't y'all take that badge and shove it up your ass? All up in your ass. I'm LAPD.
You can take your Vietnam and shove it up your ass.
Why don't you take that fucking pen and shove it up your ass, you fucking jag-off?
No disrespect intended, sir, but shove it up your ass.
You can take your handcuffs and shove them up your ass.
Shove it up your ass.
In the name of our Lord.
Stop it, shove it up your ass.
Shove it up your ass.
Shove it up your fucking ass.
Yeah, and while you're there, stick a finger up both their asses.
Take this piece of paper and shove it up your ass.
Shove it up your ass, you worthless piece of shit.
Write it down and shove it up your ass.
Shit, man, you try that, and Bounce will shove it right back up your ass with a candle on it.
Shove it up your ass.
You can take your Vietnam and you can shove it up your fucking ass.
No, you shove it up your ass, pal.
Why don't you take your questions and shove them up your ass?
You take sorry and shove it up your ass.
Hey, shove it up your ass, pal.
Wait! I want to shove it up your ass.
We would have told you to shove that red pill right up your ass.
Hey, you know you'd be better off shoving that cigarette up your ass. It'd probably be healthier for you.
I need to shove it right up your wife's Latvian cunt, you understand?
Shove it up your left nostril.
You can shove that right up your ass.
Shove it up your ass.
You can take that fake apology and shove it right up your hairy...
Fine. Shove it up your hole, so.
No, you shove it up your hole.
Don't fuck with me or I'll shove a lightning bolt up your ass. Zeus!
Then shove it up your ass.
Grow a sack, fill it with some balls, magically sprout a dick, shove it up your ass, start fucking yourself.
Shove it up your ass.
You can take those figures and shove them up your arrogant little ass.
In fact, if you insult my wife again, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna show up your house when you're sleeping, and I'll take your iPad or your iPod or your iMac, and I'll shove them up your fucking eye cunt.